Hey guys, so this is okra, which you may also know as ladyfingers. So this is how it actually looks like. So some people don't like it slimy. So today I'm going to be showing you how to avoid it from being slimy. So what I'm going to do is chop it. I'm just going to chop it into pieces. So remove that. And then when you're chopping it, make sure you don't chop it too big, because when you chop it big, proper big, that's when it starts to become more soggy and slimy. So just a bite size like this, as you can see. So you repeat the same process with the rest of them. You just remove the top part because we don't need it. The top part and the bottom part, we don't need it. And you just chop it into bite size. Here you go guys, it's finally chopped. I don't like to chop it too small, otherwise it gets proper slimy. Yeah, so this is how I chop it. And then here guys. So guys, if you have been following me for a while now, you should know that I do not eat slimy okra. My spirit cannot take it. So what I do first is remove the sliminess. So I basically remove about 80 to 70 to 80% of the sliminess. So I'm going to show you how I do that in just a minute. So right here I've got my pan, and I'm just going to add a reasonable amount of oil. So you want to make sure you add oil that can kind of cover the okra so that it can remove the sliminess. So guys, once the oil is hot, I had it on high heat, so I'm going to reduce it to about medium, then start to fry the okra. You want to make sure that you don't overpack it, otherwise it won't fry properly. You want to make sure it has enough space for all of them to basically fry. You don't want it to be overlapping on each other. So yeah guys, I'm frying them on both sides, and for about a minute or so, just turn them over. So now you just kind of like stir it around. Because if you want to like turn over individually, it's just going to be long. So what you can do is just stir them, and because the oil is going all the way up anyway, so a good thing. Make sure we do it on medium heat so it doesn't burn. And when you turn it over, you see that it's not sticking, you know, it's not as slimy, it's not sticking on each other. Then if you're satisfied, then you can remove it and fry the rest. And when you see the oil drying out, you can always add more. See that? It's not slimy. It removes the majority of the slime. And there you have it, you guys. You can make a stew with it. I've got a bunch of okra recipes on this channel. Do check it out. I'll leave the link below. I'm actually gonna create a playlist of okra recipes because I've got so many and I love it so much. It's got a lot of health benefits. Like I said, if you don't like slimy okra, this is just a great way. Look at it. Look at it. Normally you see it slimy, so it's not slimy at all. You can turn this to a salad, you can make a stew with it. It's just amazing. I'm gonna make a stew with it. I'm gonna post a recipe of it very soon. It's so delicious and it's something that you've never seen on this channel. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. If you do like it, please don't forget to give it a like, comment, share with your friends and family, subscribe if you haven't, share with any friends and family, especially those that don't like okra because of the sliminess. Just tell them there is a way to remove the slime. Thank you so much, and I'll speak to you all on the next one. Bye bye.